Hi everybody, welcome to Fun Friday. This is Mr. Jason and we are going to have our Fun Friday drawing with Mr. Jason. It's me! Today it's going to be a Halloween scene. So before we get started, let's talk about what we're going to need. You're going to need a pencil that looks like this. It could be a mechanical pencil, whatever you normally use. You're also going to need an eraser. It could be a pink one like this. You might have a white one or a black one, or it could be the one that's on the end of your pencil. That's fine too. You need paper. This is the drawing paper I'm using. It's basically the paper I took out of my printer. You can use lined paper, construction paper, anything you have. This pen I'm using just so I can draw so the lines look better. I recommend the pencils. Today we're going to draw with our paper landscape, so it's going to be wide, not quite so tall. So basically it's writing paper sideways. Alright, we're going to start in the middle of our page. We're going to draw a semicircle. It's a circle that's not quite finished. And once you have that shape, we're going to draw a curved line up, and another one just like it going the other way on the other side. Pick either one of these to start with. Let's start with this one over here. Actually, I'll start over here so you can see it. Just draw a curved line that comes down. We're going to do the same thing over here on this side. Curved line that comes down. Connect these two. Inside these shapes at the top, we're going to draw a tear shape in both parts. So it looks kind of like a teardrop. In this circular shape, you're going to draw an actual circle and another one real close to it. Underneath the circle, a couple of curved lines above and below. Draw a little circle inside of that circle. And then color in the larger the circle. Larger circle, leave the smaller circle open. Underneath the eyes, we're going to draw a curved line with two dots. Two curved lines under the eyes and up to the sides of the nose, and a wavy line that connects it. And two little triangles. From either side, from both sides of the circle, we're going to draw a curved line. And then a curved line down. And I guess you're probably figuring out what we're drawing. Then you have these two sides of the head. You're going to skip a little space and draw a curved line and a curved line. And then you see where these two lines ended? What we're going to do is draw a wavy line that connects. So you go up and down, up and connect. Up and down, up and connect. And inside of this area, we're going to draw a small curved line that goes up there and then comes back down and connects. From the top of this line here, follow that curve, and follow the curve and stop. See these points on the bat's wings? We're just going to draw a curved line that goes to the top of that point. At the bottoms of the wings here, we're going to draw a zigzag. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig. Zig, zag, zig, zag, zig. So the bat's toes. Then we're going to connect the feet with a curved line. Add a couple fingers for our bats. It's just two little curved lines. And between these feet, we just finish the bat's tail. Now that's our bat. That's part of our Halloween scene, but we're not done. We're going to draw a wavy line under where the bat's flying. And up on the hill, we're going to draw a diagonal line and a diagonal line. At the top of those diagonal lines, two horizontal lines are side to side, and one just barely above it. On the second line, the one that's above it, on the ends, you're going to draw a curved line up, and a curved line up, and then connect those. And draw two little rectangles, one here, one here. Those are windows. And next to those, even smaller rectangles, kind of just off of the windows on each side. You're going to draw a little rectangle and a semicircle above it. And then two straight lines down. Leave a little space down here for the stairs. Those are just two rectangles on top of each other. Draw the door handle, which is a little circle. Sorry, my hand was in the way. I'm going to draw two more little squares with a little bit of rectangles hanging off the side. At the top up here, we're going to draw a little rectangle, a little line side to side, curved line up, curved line up. Sorry, my paper moved there. Connect those two. Inside this little rectangle, semicircle. See this curved line? Two diagonal lines shooting off to the side and a rectangle on the end. Our haunted house has a crazy chimney. Now on this roof, we're going to draw a wavy line for the tiles and do another one below. We're going to do one wavy line on this roof. In this window, diagonal line, straight line, diagonal line. Looks like a downward facing arrow. So it was a straight line, diagonal, diagonal. In these windows, we're just going to draw a straight line, horizontal line, straight line, horizontal line, straight line, horizontal line, straight line, horizontal line. And in this window, same as we did up here, diagonal, straight, diagonal. Now there's going to be some bushes next to our haunted house, so just draw a wavy line and a wavy line going off the page. Another semicircle, a stem, 2 triangles, a 3rd triangle, and a mouth. We have jack-o'-lantern out in front of our house. A couple lines to finish a pumpkin. Maybe a crazy looking fence. Draw a line, a little triangle on top, a line with a triangle on top. You can draw these lines just in all kinds of crazy directions. Some diagonal lines that connect them to make it look like a fence that's falling apart. And the last part of our bat haunted house scene, we're going to draw a moon up in this corner. And we'll show that it's a moon by, instead of drawing a full circle, we'll stop and draw another curved line. And then maybe some stars, just little circles in the night sky. Now, I'm not going to show you how to draw this part. This is going to be your part. There's some space down here. Why don't you draw something scary? It could be anything you want. I'm going to draw maybe a ghost. Not a real ghost. It's a student in a costume. But you have that space, and I want to see how creative you can be. Draw something scary in this corner. And that is our Halloween picture. We've got a bat, we've got a haunted house, we've got a pumpkin, and we even got something scary in the corner. I hope you had fun. Ms. Viramontes let me know that we're interested in drawing a shark and a bear, so those are coming up. I just thought with Halloween coming up, it'd be fun to draw a bat and some scary stuff. So I hear you. We're going to do it. It's just going to be a week or two before we get to it. Have a fantastic rest of your Fun Friday, and I will talk to you soon.